In this demonstration, we will look at how to turn on speak selection in the iOS settings to have text read aloud on an iPad, on a website, or within an app. In order to do this, navigate to Settings and tap on your Settings icon. On the left, move down to Accessibility. On the right, select Spoken Content and turn on Speak Selection. Tap the radio button and it will turn green when it turns on. You can see underneath this setting, it says a Speak button will appear when you select text. Let's try this. I'll tap my Home button and navigate to Safari by tapping the Safari app. Go to a website where you would like to have text read aloud. Long press on a word and then move the blue dots that appear around the text that you would like to have spoken aloud. Then select Speak from the menu that pops up. You will see that it reads the text aloud and highlights the words as it goes.
Here is some exciting news for those who missed the solar eclipse on April 8, 2024.
Let's set up a few other settings under the iOS settings to change the voice or slow the speech down, and also select how text is being highlighted. Navigate to Settings, Accessibility, and Spoken Content. You will see on the right-hand side, it says Highlight Content. I have turned that on. I can select whether I want words only highlighted, sentences only highlighted, or a combination of words and sentences. I can also choose whether I want the words or sentences underlined. This would be helpful if you had a student who was colorblind, or a student who would prefer the underline versus a color box. Or I can select a background color. I can also choose the colors that are used for highlighting for words or sentences. I'll leave it on default for now. I'll back out of Spoken Content and move down. Where it says Voices, I can choose any number of languages and any number of voices. If I back out of Voices, I can move down and select the speaking rate, how fast or how slow I would like the text read aloud. If I move it to the right, it'll be faster, and if I move it to the left, it will be slower. This is how you can customize your spoken content settings for students so that they have a preferred reading environment on their iPad. Check out our Learn 71 resources for more tips.